What's up guys, welcome back to virtual reality with a small video of a VR accessory for the Valve Index. It's called, I have to read that, Valve Index Interface and Foam Replacement Basic Set. That's the name of that, it's from VR Cover. And yeah, we will check that out. Is it comfortable? How much is it? Who should buy it? This is in this video. So my name is Voodoo. You can find everything about VR and AR on this channel thanks to my sponsors Woodghost VR, Opera Events, Cyronics, Andi Felser VR Ambassador and Alpha Blend Interactive. Let's have some fun with the video and let's go!
VoodooDE.
So let's first check out what's in the package. So the cover comes in this cool cover here, in this cool container thing. It's very good. And then we have this little cloth here to clean our lenses and headset. And then we have the two face inserts here. So this is a small one. This is very thin. Both is leather material. And then a thicker one. You see that? So this comes with the set, and also this face gasket thing here with the two removable side things here. I think that's for the light leakage and for the comfort on the sides here. And of course it's with magnets, then we can remove the original one. I will show that to you now. So let's get the Valve Index here. So we have here the original face insert. We can just remove it and then we can just insert the other one. Very easy. Where's the magnets? Here we have the magnets. And then let's try first the small one. It's very easy. Just put it here on the Velcro straps and here. And then I have to choose my 60 IPD, 60 millimeter IPD, and then let's check it out. I already checked it out, so I know what. So when I wear it now, I have a big problem. So with the thin face inlay, so my eyelashes, no, my eyebrows touch the lenses, and this hurts me. This totally hurts me. So on this point on my face, it hurts me. So with an IPD of 60 or even I would say 65 or less, the small one is totally useless. It's totally useless, so I will just remove it. And let's try out the thicker one. Just insert it here. It's very quick and easy. Yeah, I think let's put it here and here. Now this is much thicker, and let's try that now. And yes, this is of course much better. But the problem is there is more light leakage from the downside than with the original face inlay. This is a problem. So here comes light inside, and you cannot remove this rubber thing. It's not possible. There's even a little a sign that says "Do not remove." So yeah, for me it's. I would say I would better use the original one, to be honest. But of course, as this is leather material, it's much better to wash when you sweat a lot. It's really better because the original thing, this one here, it's full of sweat from after you played like 3 hours, and it's really bad. It's not good. And this one you can of course wash much better. You can just use some clothes and remove the sweat and stuff. But for the comfort, I would say the original one is more comfortable. So it depends on you, of course. If you sweat a lot, then you should use that. If not, better use the original one. And of course, if you have a lower IPD than 65, this is a problem with the smaller face with the smaller leather inlay. And yeah, let's check out the price. So for now it's on sale. I have no idea how long it is on sale. It's now $39.20. Okay, $39.20. The normal price will be $49. And this is, I mean, both prices are a little bit expensive for only a little bit of plastics and some small face covers. But you know, all the VR equipment is very expensive, so we have to get used to that. It depends on you, of course. For me personally, I will use the standard one. I will not use this one, but I think there are some people that will use that. So if you want to buy it, I would totally appreciate if you use my link, then you can support me a little bit. Would be great. You won't pay something extra. But yeah, that's it for the VR cover for the Valve Index. Thank you for watching and see you next time in virtual reality, guys. See ya.
VoodooDE